Hello, line art followers! We will make together today illustration drawing of a tiger and its cub in the wild with the watercolor technique. In order not to take up too much of your time, I have drawn most of the work in advance. I will color our illustration on Canson drawing paper with watercolor technique. If you wish, you can try to draw after watching this video or by stopping the video. Come now, let's continue drawing a tiger and his cute cub living happily in the wild. Yes, our sketch is ready to be painted. I'm taped the edges with masking tape to prevent it from bleeding out. Now I can color my illustration with watercolors. First of all, I draw the contour lines over my sketch with a color 2 or 3 shades darker than the color I think of as the main color of my figure. Dear line art friends, I'm speeding up the video a bit so as not to take up your time. In this illustration, Tiger and Cub in the Wild, we are transported to the heart of a lush and untamed wilderness, where the splendor of nature is on full display. This artistic work beautifully captures the essence of a majestic tiger and her curious cub as they make their way through the lush jungle. Vivid images and poetic descriptions paint a picture of these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat, celebrating their graceful movements, striking pelts, and intimate interactions with the environment. This illustration is an invitation to immerse ourselves in the complex yet harmonious fabric of life in the wild, reminding us of the profound beauty that thrives within the complex ecosystems of our natural world. After drawing the contours of our figure, paying attention to the light and shadow, I'm coloring it. Elling it this way motivates me more in my art. Let's continue our story by describing. Amidst the whispered secrets of the primeval forest, the fur of a striped luminescent tiger is a vibrant tapestry of scarlet, amber, and ebony. It moves with sinuous grace, a creature carved from the essence of shadows and sunsets. Its eyes, like molten gold, reflect the secrets of centuries past, testifying to the ever-turning wheel of existence. Beside her, an enchanting wisp of feline innocence, the cub, frolics in the green cathedral of leaves and vines. His fur, a playful medley of burnt sienna and marigold, harmonizes with the ancient foliage. With each bounding step, he is a flame of unquenchable wonder, a testament to the wild vitality of the untamed world. Together, they traverse this boundless sanctuary, a kingdom of perpetual twilight where the poetry of survival plays out in each quiver of muscle and whispered rustle. By the way, going back to our work, this is important. If you are not proficient in watercolor, the surface to be colored with a brush, we can lightly soak it. This method will make the paint more homogeneous and the color transitions easier to blend. The artistry of their existence lies not merely in their astonishing beauty, but in their seamless integration within the symphonic ecosystems that envelop them. In the depths of a languid riverbed, they slake their thirst, liquid mirrors reflecting their fleeting, ethereal beauty. Amidst the sinewy vines, they engage in tender exchanges, where nurturing embraces dance with the wild untamed. And as night descends with its inkwell of stars, the jungle, with its litany of whispers, lulls them into dreams woven from the same threads as their own coats. A dreamscape of freedom, untrammeled and enduring. In this color illustration video, Tiger and Cub in the Wild, the essence of their existence is captured, an ode to the untamed, an invitation to immerse oneself in the delicate yet powerful harmony that thrives in the heart of the jungle. It is a masterpiece of artistry, where the regal tiger and her playful cub are the vibrant strokes in the ever-evolving portrait of the wild, a reminder that the tapestry of life is both complex and infinitely beautiful. I hope you have enjoyed this narrative, this conversation. Now, let's immerse ourselves in the sound of music while watching our lesson. line art friends. If you want this type of content to continue, you can subscribe to my channel for support, activate the bell to be informed about the content, and make your comments and likes. Yes, dear friends of line art, now that our illustration work is finished, I can remove the masking tape. We have come to the end of another work. Stay in good health to see you again in another drawing. Stay with the line. Goodbye, friends.